Hello everyone, this is Francis, all the way from the beautiful island of Nosikomba. That's off the northwest coast of Madagascar. We've been here with the Island Reach medical vessel for the last couple of days. We've been reaching out to this community, and there are thousands of villages like this around Madagascar who are so desperate for medical care, dental care. Just imagine, in Madagascar, you get one dentist for a population of 150,000 people, just to give you an idea. So the need is big, but also as big is the need to hear the good news, the liberating good news of Jesus Christ. So Island Reach is such a blessing. It's a dream coming true. We've been praying for more than 10 years for this beautiful gift, this beautiful instrument to come and serve the people of Madagascar and the work of God here. And yesterday was the first time for that lady to jump on board, to receive treatment, and things like that. It's just making a tremendous difference.
Za zany docteur Léon Sayon Marie-Christine, na avy amin'ny ity sambo ity za, avy amin'ny alalan'le ONG Merci Ministries. Izy ity zany mitovy cabinet dentaire fa sur bateau. Dia afaka manao extraction, afaka magnano détartrage. Extraction zay efa nagnano sur bateau et sur l'île satria zio ty zay efa 3 jours zegny zay taty. Ary a Madagascar soin dentaire mbola lafo be. Ka fa misy cadeau ndra karaha io magnantogna narô.
Ny anarako edy Mobary, président fokontany eto ampangoriagna Nosikomba. Izy koa fitsapagna Nosibe tegna mandany volanay. Mikaraha malaka anao mandeha agny, avy agny koa anao mba magnefa l'hôpital mividy hody, tsy vaharaka ny aty ambanivolo karaha zio. Aty tsisy tomobily, tsisy bajaj fa ny raha momban-drano io mikarama 10 000 ariary, magnano 10 000 ariary mihody. Mikarama koa anao mitokitoky manonga agny, mividy hody, tsy dia mahafinaritra aminay aty loatra raha. Ravoravo zay fa avy andreo eto. Ireo docteur maromaro mitsabo zay eto. Tegna mahafapo zahay. Tsy dia mividy hody eky zahay, tsy mandeha Nosibe fa ny fitsabogna mahafinaritra nataondreo eto amin'ny ampangoriagna.
Anarako Jomaro zany. Toerana viako boka Mbilibe. Fa za fo miasa eto magnano maso. Ny nataoko mandeha magnadoso nify. Misy mandeha Nosibe mandeha magnapoaka nify. Eto misy fa matetiky magnano vakansy andafy zegny vazaha magnadoso nify eto. Zegny kofa tsy hoe izy mandeha Nosibe fa magnapoaka nify. Lafo zegny magnadoso fa za tsara nagnadoso amako nagnadoso niany.
Hi, my name is Kenny and I am from Mauritius, and I just want to tell you about the boat, the Island Reach, that we've been collaborating together. We call for your support for those of you who have experiences with medical care.
Dentists, eye care specialists, you name it, nurses, please come join us to make a difference in Madagascar. And even children ministry, anyone who can come and just have an impact here. We also need financial support. We have to put fuel in the boat to run it, join hands and partner with us. So thank you so much, guys. And we look forward to hear from you in partnering together.